Hi guys, my name is Chavva and my mom or my friends always call me Chavva. So today I will share to you guys my daily routine or my activities in campus or in my home. My daily routine is quite dynamic and depend on whether I have go to campus or stay at home. On days when I have morning classes, I usually wake up early, grab a quick breakfast, usually toast and milk, and rush to campus using a Transjakarta or Gojek. And I always enjoy the ride while listening to music, which helps me feel more better, feel more awake and ready for the day. Classes can be mixed or of interesting and tiring, depending on the subject and the lecture, but being around my friend always make it more bearable. If I don't have go to campus, I take things slower, have a more relaxed breakfast, and attend online lectures from my desk at home. Around noon, I either eat with my friends. At the campus canteen, our go-to menu is usually spicy fried chicken, or I cook something simple at home. The afternoon is usually reserved for assignment, group projects, or sometimes just a bit of a quiet time, especially and if my mind feels too full. In the late afternoon, I often sit outside with a cup of tea, watching the sky shift color while listening to music or scrolling through social media. Evenings are spent with my family, having a dinner and chatting about our day, playing with my dog, and playing with my brother, scrolling TikTok. After that, I usually return to my room, either finish schoolwork, homework, watching a drama, or write in my journal. I always tell myself I sleep early, but somehow midnight always come too fast while I'm still wide awake and my phone in my hand. So I think that's all. My daily activities are my daily routine. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Bye bye.